Hey guys, you're joining me in my new car, the Ford Fiesta ST. This will be a quick review and a drive, a POV drive. I hope you enjoy it. It's the Ford Fiesta ST 2008 Mark 8 model, so it's the new one. And this is as a basic spec, so it's the ST1. I owned it for about 2 weeks now, and I've driven a very tired Kia before, so it's a big step up. If I compare it to my last performance car, the Seat Leon Cupra 290, this is a lot more fun. It's of course lighter, 1262 I think it weighs. And the Seat was almost 1.5 I think, so it's a big difference. And the biggest difference is the sound of this is amazing, and in the Seat it was not very special. The Seat was much comfier, but this is a lot more fun. I'm not out to have a comfy car right now. This is my toy. I got the family Kia still. I can drive around my family in it. If you push it up, third, fourth. Okay, slow down a bit. Change lane here. Take it easy when there's other cars around. We can go right here. And you see there, because this is the ST1, you got a little bit smaller screen. The screen size is this thing is as big as the other ones, but the screen is a little bit smaller, but it's baked. No, I think that's enough. And okay, Mr. Mercedes, let me in. Let's change the lane one more time. It got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so you don't need navigation because you get it from that. So yes, it's very nice. I will stop at a gas station soon and show you the outside of the car, but right now we're doing a little drive here. The first thing I noticed is the steering wheel is very responsive, and the gas pedal the same. You can just touch it and it flies away. So that's, as you see, that's very fun. Let's get off here. Can find a more secluded space and I can show you the outside of the car. Don't want that much people around. They will look at me as if I was a maniac with a camera on my head. As I said, it's a very fun car. I'm looking forward to driving it every day as I'm going to work. Can drive up to the Ford dealership. Okay, Mr. Taxi, do you see me? Yes. The gear shifts are very crisp. You have three. Wait, what is going on here? Can you go here? Yeah, it looks like you can. See the Ford dealership right here. I washed the car yesterday, but it's already a little dirty. That's the Swedish weather. It's quite dry out right now, but yeah. Okay, we'll find a nice location to show the outside of the car. Okay, stay right here. Here's the modes. If you push this mode button, you got normal, sport, and the race. I'm always in sport mode. If you put it in normal, you can hear the sound. That's normal. And let's put it in okay, in sport mode. Hear the pops and bangs. Beautiful. All right, let's put it off. So, welcome to the Ford dealership. Haha. All right, there it is. It's base specs, so it doesn't even have backup sensors or anything like that, but it's a pretty small car, so I don't feel the need to have it. And that's the main thing about this car is the way it drives. So as long as it's fun, I don't care that much about small stuff like that. And as you see, the rims on this one, it's the 15-inch winter wheels. They look terrible, so I have to swap them next winter, I think. And the rest of the car, I think it's not the greatest looking car, but with new rims, the summer rims on, I think it will look okay. And the color white, if I had to choose, I think I'd go for the performance blue. But I got a very good deal for this car, so white it is. Yeah, I don't know if there's anything to look at. You can see it's a ST by the badge right there, and there's also a badge back here. You see the spoiler with the exhaust right there. You can see here in the door, I don't know if you see, it says Ford Performance. Yeah. All right. Let's take it for a drive again. I don't know. I think black rims will look nice on a white car, so I'm thinking about buying that. I got the 17-inch standard wheels and rims for this, so they will work for this summer, but maybe next winter I will put winter tires on them, and next summer I will buy lightweight rims, maybe black OC Ultra Leggera, I think they're called. Those rims are so nice, but they're about 20,000 crowns, and that's about 2,000 euros. That's pretty hefty, I think. Can you go this way, or? Yeah, I think so. No signs of not. So let's go. Can go back the same way we came. Okay, it's in first gear, second gear, third gear. Okay, let's brake. Take it a little bit easy now, okay? You don't want to hit that bicycle. Can you go? No, you can't go out here. Get around the gas station. Of course, everybody that got a new car is in love with it, and yada yada yada. Everything is perfect. But I'm trying to do a review that is not that biased. Oh, let's go! Oh my god! Oh, it goes. Let's put it down. Oh, so the Ford cameras can see me. Woo! Okay. Now calm down. As you saw, there's no cars around, so I don't want to hear any comments about you're driving like a maniac or something, because if I crash, it's my life. But I'm not pushing the car that hard that I will crash. Yes. There's a lot of cars out this evening. Oh my god, okay. Go ahead, buddy. I will take off here. consumption is about 0.6 a kilometer, I think you say. So the fuel consumption is very good. It's just a 3-cylinder motor in this. So that's a very small 1.5 liter motor. So of course the fuel consumption should be low. But I heard on other reviews, like the one on Autogefühl, they said it was over 1 liter a kilometer. I don't know what they got those stats from. As I said earlier, the seats are really hugging you. It's nice when you're taking corners and driving a little more maniacal. No, that's not a word. Sorry. Yeah, let's go. And this car got heated steering wheel. It's very nice now when it's cold outside. Oh, cat. And the heated windshield are on most Fords. That's very nice too on cold mornings. You don't have to scrape the windshield from ice and snow. Maybe I can show you a video if there is more this year, more cold mornings. It's pretty. It's gotten. This winter has not been that cold so far, and it's almost ending soon. So, and of course, heated seats. That's in most cars. And I don't know if. Yeah, I told you about Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. That's nice too. I don't know what car is behind me. Maybe a police car or something. So we'll take it easy. And here it's a crosswalk. Calm down. Yeah. I think that's about it. And thanks for watching, guys. More to come on this car. Maybe I will mod it a bit. Yeah, I will put up more videos. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.